Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1999 ECE paper and the topic is related to analog circuits. The first dominant pole encountered in the frequency response of a compensated op-amp is approximately located at A. 5 Hz, B. 10 kHz, C. 1 MHz, D. 100 MHz. The right answer for this question is A. So compensation is going to be provided for the op-amp in two ways. That can be either external compensation or internal compensation. So the best example for the internal compensated op-amp is MUA741. MUA741 is nothing but best internal compensated. One of the good example for the internally compensated op-amp. MUA implies nothing but it is manufactured by Fairchild company. And now internally compensated op-amp, if you look at the frequency response of this one, we can identify the first pole, that is dominant pole. So this is a frequency response. Frequency response curve is nothing but gain versus frequency. So this is open loop gain on the y-axis and on x-axis it is frequency. The units for frequency is hertz and gain doesn't have any units. So if you are observing this one, this is the first pole, because whenever a pole encounters, at that time gain is going to reduces with minus 20 decibels per decade. So gain reduces at a rate of 20 decibels per decade, that we represent it as minus 20 decibels per decade. So this is the first pole. The first pole which is very near to origin is going to be called as dominant pole. If you are having more number of poles, at that time whichever is more near to origin in the left half of S-plane, at that time that pole is going to be called as dominant pole. So for example, this is the S-plane. Okay. So this is left half of S-plane, LH side, left half of S-plane. So by that time if you are getting 3 poles for example, in that way this is going to be called as dominant pole. Dominant pole is nothing but which is very near to origin. Okay. So whatever the pole very near to it is origin, that will be called as dominant pole, and from this diagram we can say that one, this is the pole from which the gain is going to reduces at a rate of minus 20 decibels per decade, and there is no other pole exist until the gain reaches 1. Okay. So the dominant pole from this response is going to be, dominant pole is less than 10 Hz. Less than 10 Hz. Less than 10 Hz is going to be only having one option, that is nothing but A, 5 Hz. So the dominant pole of internally compensated op-amp is at 5 Hz. The right answer for this question is A. Thank you.